largely overtaken or exceeded by machines, AI, or other technological systems. In April 2000, an American computer scientist and chief scientist of Sun Microsystems named William Nelson Joy wrote an article entitled "Why Future Doesn't Need Us," that warned people against the rapid rise of new technology.
Genetics, nanotechnology, and robotics are becoming very powerful that they can potentially bring about new classes of accidents, threats, and abuses. These dangers are even more material knowledge alone will make them potentially harmful to humans. If the machines are given the capacity to decide on their own, it will be impossible to predict how they might behave in the future. In this case, the fate of the human race would be the mercy of machines. Introducing the Human Genome project that completed the mapping of all humans in 2001, which has huge implications in the field of biotechnology and for humanity at large. The nanotechnology is the science and engineering of designing, creating, and using structures, devices, and systems by manipulating atoms and molecules. Nanotechnology has a wide range of applications, including medicine, electronics, energy, and environmental protection. While nanotechnology holds great promise, it also prevents potential risks that could harm human health and the environment if not properly managed. Robotics, on the other hand, is the field of technology focused on the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Machines that can perform tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. These tasks can range from simple, repetitive action to more complex function. Robotics combines elements of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence to create robots that can interact with physical world.
AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions. Like humans, AI system can perform such as tasks, recognizing speech, analyzing data, and solving problems, and even understanding languages. AI technologies ranges from machine learning, where systems learn from the data, to more complex neural networks and deep learning, which mimic the structure of human brain. AI is already used in many applications such as driving cars, medical diagnostics, personalized recommendation like Netflix or Amazon, and virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa. While AI offers many benefits such as increasing productivity, improving healthcare, and enhancing daily life, there are several potential risks and negative consequences associated with its widespread use. These include job losses and economic disruption, bias and discrimination, privacy invasion and surveillance, autonomous weapons and warfare, loss of control, superintelligence, social manipulation and misinformation, security risk.
Human dependency on technology. Some argue that increasing reliance on technology, AI, and the machine for nearly every aspect of life, ranging from healthcare to transportation, entertainment, and even relationship, could diminish human independence and self-sufficiency. If AI and technology take over everything, what role is left for humans? Humans are not just tools for the economy. They are also social being, creator, thinker, and caregiver. While technology might change how we live and work, it cannot replace the interests, human qualities of connection, love, empathy, and creativity. Moreover, people will continue to play vital roles in managing the guiding technology, creating policies, and ensuring ethical practices.
The future needs us. The future needs us because humans possess unique abilities such as empathy, creativity, and critical thinking that are crucial for solving complex problems, innovating, and shaping a better world. Additionally, our capacity for ethical reasoning and decision-making is essential for guiding the development and use of advanced technologies responsibly.